Hey, nice to see you again. I'm exploring this new grow light I got about 2 months ago now. I've been testing it. I purchased it through Amazon. It is an Aumtrly grow light for indoor plants. I'm just reading the Amazon description here. A full spectrum. It's a medium-sized light. It's got a gooseneck on it. It's adjustable. It's a halo light, more like a ring light, I would say. It does have a timer, so 6, 12, and 16-hour timer, which is great. Once you set it and forget it, it'll come on and off at certain times of the day, so it is great that way. It also has 3 light modes depending on the what type of growth it is and what type of plants you are trying to grow. It's also height adjustable, which I like. And it's around $35.99, so, and we also offer a coupon for that as well. Let's go do a hands-on demonstration and see how it stacks up with all the other grow lights out on the market. Lots to love about this grow light. I've been testing it for about a month and a half now, so I did see some noticeable growth in my nursery, and great sleek design, so I can't really beat that. Like everything around here is black or browns, so it's refreshing to have something white so it matches my Mac or Apple. But other than that, I love the design of it. It is quite sturdy. The base is anti-scratch. It's got the adjustable gooseneck as well, and for going up and down. It also has the 3 different light modes and the timer as well, which is handy. Definitely recommend it, and make sure you buy 2 or 3 of these if you have multiple plants.